You guys this wasn't going to take any time at all. My favorite part is peel and reveal. So let me get a hold of it. Let me get a hold of it. You guys, I got my nails done last week and it's so much longer than I ever had them. So I'm trying to see if I can deal with it or if I'm going to have to file them down because I'm not used to them being this long. You guys ready? Look at this. Ta-da! How cute is that? Isn't that sweet? Okay, let me put this aside. I'm going to spray that with water and I'll take it to my sink and clean it. After I'm done. Now, it will take about, it's shimmer paste, so chalk paste, so it's going to take probably about 7 or 8 minutes to dry. It'll be dry to the touch, it'll be hard, just like this side is. I can touch it, I can do things to it. I can even wipe it with a cloth if I needed to, and it would not come off. It won't come off until I spray it, let water sit on it, and then I scrape it off, and then use